Welcome to YouTube video tutorial, and this is our second tutorial to make a login application with PHP and MySQL. So let's start with this tutorial, and I hope you will like this video. So let's start. And now we need to open our phpmyadmin for localhost phpmyadmin, and we need to enter the password, and after that we need to create a new database. So let's create database that is going to be login character set utf8. Press Ctrl Enter, and you have this login database. So we need to create a table for it. So the table name should be user. So click on go, and I will make id, then int 11 for the length, and there will be auto increment, and it is primary, and there will be username. This is varchar. Length would be 255, and this is our unique. Sorry, not this one. Unique, and go. And we will use password, and the password also varchar, and we'll use email. Email is also varchar 255, and it also has 255 length. So we need to make another column, that is date created. We don't need this right now, so we don't need this. Okay, click on save. So we have this 4 column, that is id, username, and password. So let's create insert and the password. I will use sha method, sha1, and I will use password, and email john.com. For our demonstration purpose, we have used this username and password. So for this we need to add a privileges for this, and I will use a new user account, that is make it as login admin, host localhost, password, and password I will use and I will check all for global privileges and press go button. So I have created login admin user for this database. So guys, this is the end of our second tutorial. In the next tutorial we will use our database with our PHP code, and thanks for watching. See you next time.